So I want to talk about the debris that's on the outside of these coils a little bit more. Them being dirty, obviously aesthetically, that's not our goal here. It's not, although they do look pretty when we're done, that's not the main focus. All this buildup on the outside of this coil restricts the airflow going through the coil. So all these little slots in here are the way that this thing, it dissipates the heat. So these coils get hot, the air goes through the coils, and that's how it loses the heat. When you have these restrictions, obviously your airflow is not what it's supposed to be, so that's how you end up, having performance issues. Units can't keep up because they're not breathing properly, and it eventually leads to a breakdown. It leads to a lot more stress on the equipment too. The equipment's got to run harder to do its job when it's not working efficiently. So what Cory's doing is he's spraying down the coils with coil cleaner. So it's safe to be used on coils because coils are aluminum. That way they won't corrode, give us problems in the future. If you use any chemicals that are too harsh, you can actually damage the coils. So he's gonna spray the coils down, let them soak for a couple minutes, both the evaporator coil and the condensing coil. And it also is a bubble machine. But we're gonna spray them down, let them sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll get basically the giant pressure washer up here and get them sprayed off. Got it. All right. So up here on the roof, that trailer, that's our drain cleaning trailer. So what's in there is, so imagine if your little pressure washer at home did nothing but eat chicken and rice and go to the gym every single day for like 10 hours a day. That's basically what's in that trailer. It's a big pressure washer. We've got about 50, 60 gallons of water in there at all times. It does have a reel that we hook up to the building so it can constantly refill that water storage. But that's going to be that's our supply water, our supply pressure, so we can really give these units a good wash down. Pressure isn't the only thing that you're looking for, though, when it comes to washing down these coils. You need volume. You need water flow to actually move that debris. So your typical, pressure washer at home, let's just say it's, 2 gallons a minute or something like that. It's pitiful by comparison. This pressure washer can run at about 3,500 PSI and about 12 gallons a minute. So having all that extra volume to actually move the debris gets you a truly clean coil. All right, so what Cory's doing now, this is that coil that we showed you before that was completely disgusting and packed. You see the bubbles coming through. He's washing it from the inside out. So if you look at all that dirt and nasty water that's just rolling out of these coils, those are all the things that reduce your efficiency as the year goes on, without the proper maintenance. So this is the last step in the process. We get in there, pressure wash everything, get all the dirt and debris out of the coil, rinse all the coil cleaner through the unit, and then we put the thing back together. And that's how we make it another 6 months, hopefully with no breakdowns.